Hello and welcome to another episode by CDBTC. Today is April 29th and wow, we're almost at the end of the first quarter of the year. First of all, I'd like to thank everyone who's subscribed to the channel. We're up to 2,821 subscribers. It's amazing. Thank you very much. Today's video is going to be about setting up a Masternode using the Gin platform. It's super easy to do. I'm going to set up a WolfCoin Masternode. I'm gonna go through it. I remember trying to set up a smart cash Masternode about 8 months ago, and it took me a couple of hours before I finally got it right. The first 2 or 3 tries, it didn't work out. And then finally, about the 4th or 5th try, it did come online, but it was a hassle. And then I discovered the Gin platform. So the Gin platform is basically something that helps you set up masternodes very easily. And they do host a ton of masternodes. They classify them by tiers: Gin, Smart Cash, Zen, Zcoin. They even have some Dash nodes hosted, and there's a lot of masternodes here. You can go through the list. Well, I'm gonna use as an example, I'm going to set up an example of a Wolf Masternode. So you can read a little bit about the Wolf project, or I'm going to prepare a future video regarding the Wolf project. But right now, it's going to be about setting up the Masternode. So step number 1, open your account. Okay. Once you have an account open, you're just gonna come here to the main page and you're gonna hit the plus button, which means that you're gonna set up a WolfCoin Masternode. I'm going to go with the cloud node. A dedicated node is a little bit more expensive. I do not believe that I want to pay for a dedicated node, so I'm gonna go with the cloud node. It's for $50 per month. And be aware that you have to have the coins that you need to have as collateral for your Masternode. So each coin has a different requirement, so you have to be read and be prepared. Okay, I'm gonna go with the monthly. If you pay daily, it's gonna be $4.50 per month. If you pay the whole month, you're gonna get 10% off, and if you pay for 3 months in advance, you get 30% off. So for this example, I already have loaded my account up with a few dollars. I don't have enough to go up to $9, so I'm going to go with a $4.50, and then in the future I'm going to be able to change here. Okay, so I'm just going to hit continue, and it says set up collateral transaction in your wallet. So we open the debug console. So you already have to have your WolfCoin wallet running on your computer. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over there and I'm gonna open the debug console. So let's follow the instructions, and then over there we're gonna type get new address, and we're gonna call the output of this command collateral address. This will hold the funds that enabled you to start the Masternode. Also note that this address is your own, as it was generated in your wallet. On the send tab of your wallet, send exactly 10,000 wolf. No more, no less. Make sure that subtract fee from amount is not checked. This is important because you have to receive the 10,000 wolf coins or whatever amount of coins your Masternode requires. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this collateral address, and we're gonna go to the top menu, tools, debug console. So here we are, tools menu, debug console, and we're gonna type get new address. Oh, sorry, get new address. There it is, and hit enter. And that's our address. Okay, so I'm going to close this window and I'm going to go to the receive place and or here, receiving addresses. Okay, so this one has no label, so we're gonna paste what we had, collateral address. Okay, we're gonna close it, we're gonna take note of the address, we're gonna copy the address. Okay, so we're gonna close it. Then we're gonna send 10,000 wolf to that address. Okay, so let's go back. Let's just make sure that we have the right address. I'm going to copy the address, close this, and we're going to go to send. And we're going to paste that address. The name is here, collateral address, and we're going to send 10,000 wolf. And remember, it says that this does not have to be checked. It has to be left unchecked. Because if we do, then the fee for the transfer is going to be subtracted from this, and we don't want that because we need 10,000 wolf coins to go into this address. So we're just going to hit send. Okay, and we're going to make sure it says it's going to send 10,000 wolf coins, and this small amount of wolf coins was added as a fee. Okay, so let's hit yes. It says that payment has been received. I send it over to myself. I have a little bit over 10,000 coins, so I have 11,940 wolf coins. But this address, and I'm going to show you, this specific address holds 10,000 coins. See, this specific address, name collateral address, holds 10,000 coins. So that means that we've completed that step. So we're going to hit continue. On the transactions tab in your wallet, find the transaction titled payment to yourself and double click it. Find the transaction ID in the transaction details window. Double click transaction to open the details window if not already open. It should be something like this. So let's go to the transactions tab and look for that. Transactions tab. Payment to self. And we're going to copy the transaction ID. See, this is the ID that matches the 10,000 coins we sent. Okay, so we're going to paste that here and we're going to continue. Trust me, this is very, very easy. If you try to do this by yourself, not using the platform, be prepared to have a lot of patience and probably try 2 or 3 times until you get it right. So right now the platform is preparing this. It's building the node. I'm just gonna go over here and I'm gonna close this and come over here. Let's go back. And so it's 11:42. I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna come back when this starts moving and I'll let you know how much time it took, okay? Okay, so now it says it moved. It says status syncing blockchain, so that's good. And it's 11:45, so that took about 3 minutes. Okay, so we have movement. The node is building. It's waiting to start. It says flawless. Let's start the node. Okay, so all the steps below happen in your wallet. In the top menu, choose Tools, open Masternode configuration file. If the file does not open or the option is not available, you need to find it in your File Explorer and open it manually. The file is called Masternode conf and it is in the wallet data directory, and you can find the location. Okay, at the end of the file, add a new row with exactly the content below. Make sure you do not duplicate the line if it is already present. So I'm just going to copy this right now. Okay, copy. Save and close the file, close the wallet, wait 30 seconds and open it again. Okay, so we're gonna go to the tools, open Masternode configuration file. Okay, so tools, open Masternode configuration file. We're gonna open it with a notepad. Okay, so we're just going to add the line. And we're gonna save it, close it. Okay, save and close the file, close the wallet, wait 30 seconds and open it again. Okay, so we're gonna close the wallet. We're gonna use this option. Okay, don't close it with the X, use the file and exit, and we're gonna wait for it. Okay, now we wait 30 seconds. So 30 seconds. It's loading. It has to resync with the blockchain. It says out of sync and it's syncing 1 second behind. Let's just wait patiently. Okay, so now it stopped saying out of sync, but it's still working with this. Synchronizing masternodes, additional data, 31%. We have to wait for that to complete before we move forward. Imagine, this is the easy way with the GenCoin platform. Imagine the hard way. No, I can't imagine the hard way anymore. I wouldn't and probably couldn't do it anymore. I don't think I have the patience. Okay, so we're at 50%. 53. Come on. I just want to get the Masternode up and running. Okay, what's the purpose of the Masternode? In my case, it's to get more WolfCoins. I'm gonna get 160 WolfCoins in every cycle. I think every cycle is about 2 or 3 days, and I want to build up my position up to 20,000 WolfCoins. It's gonna take about 3 or 4 months, and when I have another 20,000 WolfCoins or 20,000 WolfCoins, I'm gonna set up a second Masternode. So I'm gonna have 2 Masternodes running. Okay, so that's it. It's synced. Let's continue with the instructions. So we hit continue. Wait for the wallet to completely sync. Progress at the bottom. Progress bar at the bottom disappears. So we already did that. In the debug console, enter the following command. Okay, so we're gonna copy this and we're gonna go to the debug console again. We're gonna paste that and we're gonna hit enter, and it says result successful. So I guess that started the Masternode. We're gonna come here and hit done. It says verifying node, looking for your node on the network. This may take a few minutes. So let's wait a few minutes. I'm just gonna go in here and close this. Says this set successful. There it is. Look, guys. It says I have, and this is the Masternode ID. The blockchain is WolfCoin. This is the IP address for the Masternode. It's on the cloud. Remember, I didn't choose the dedicated node. It's pre-enabled. And it says if you have successfully started your Masternode, if everything goes well, it will turn enabled over the next hour. This is the first step, so it means that it's preparing itself to run. The data was created. This is the reward address. So let's check that out. 2N. No, wrong option. Receiving addresses. So 2N. Oh, I'm gonna receive it in my same collateral. Can I change that? So this is that wallet. This is where I'm gonna be receiving the stakes, and that's it. Look, let's go to the portfolio page, and I like this. This is a summary of all the master nodes you have. In my case, I have only one node right now, but I'm going to be setting up other master nodes because during the next bull run, whenever it happens, master nodes always, well, most of the time increase in price if they are good master nodes. So I'm going to be looking at other master nodes, and I'm going to be adding them in here. When that happens, this dashboard is going to show my WolfCoin or my PIVX or my GinCoin masternode, and it's going to show me the total portfolio value. It's going to let me know how many WolfCoins I've received. It lets you know how much you've earned, your ROI, how much you've earned in the past 24 hours, the forecasted monthly revenue based on the price of the market of the coin and how many coins you're getting, yearly forecast. This is for the WolfCoin, but it's also going to add it up here for all of your master nodes. Okay, so this is a very, very nifty platform. I really enjoy it, and I hope you do too. And it's an easy way to set up your master nodes. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and this is not only for WolfCoin, this works for all of these other masternode coins. Okay, so if you're looking to get into masternodes but do not want to live with the hassle of setting it up by yourself, use the GinCoin platform. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.